I'm not going to be storming the beaches of Normandy anytime soon, but this thing is pretty cool. This is a 2025 Jeep Wrangler 4xe Willys 41 edition, and the color is even called 41. This thing is just cool. I mean, it's finished in this color, which I think is awesome. It has these very retro wheels. I mean, look at those wheels with the little Willys Jeep in the middle. That is just really, really cool. And yes, it is called Willys. I checked. It's not Willys, it is Willys. But this is just awesome. But it gets cooler when you go inside. Now look at the interior. A tan cloth interior. That's just even incredible too. And look at that. Now, of course, it does have this cool new screen in the Jeep Wranglers. They also eliminated the antenna and added it to the windshield, which is a nice touch. Now you don't have to worry about bending it in car washes. But I like this thing partly because of this. For those of you who don't have room to store your top, it retracts for you. And now you don't have to put it somewhere and then risk being caught in the rain while driving around with your top off. And if you want to get a little further, more top down, you can remove these side panels here and have even more open air. But there you go. So you can do a lot with this thing. I'm not usually a fan of Jeeps, so it takes something that looks this cool to really get me into it. And it is a cool little Jeep. Now, it also has a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged motor mated to this hybrid electric system. Here's your charging point so you can charge it, and there you go. Now, it's just a cool vehicle. You could take this thing off-roading if you really wanted to, or you could reenact your favorite battle of World War II. I don't know. It's just a cool looking vehicle, but there it is. It's just neat. I think it's kind of odd that they brought it out in December. Although December 7th, 1941 was when the United States entered World War II, so that could be part of it. But just a neat vehicle overall. And as far as the Jeep Wrangler itself, the details are always good now. The build quality has gotten better. My photographer over there really likes them as well because he owns one, and you might recognize him from one of my previous videos. Wearing the ZZ Top hoodie.
What's up, guys?
That's Ray.
Killer Jeep.
Yeah,
Killer Jeep.
and I think I'm gonna have to convince him to buy this one. But until next time, thanks for watching, and if you like what you see, check out more content on this channel at the end of this video.